Hey guys, what's up? Dylan and Zach here again. We are doing a reball shooting vid with the Etha. We've been having a couple problems.
Yeah.
Probably been out here like an hour trying to fix this now. It's not my gun works great.
Fuck you.
So we're just gonna shoot it at this little chair tarp over here. Just wanna see if that bounces.
Is it on? Why won't it feed?
Alright. So now we're feeding. Alright, we're gonna do a test here. Just so you can see the balls coming in, see what that view looks like. I'm not gonna hit it, don't worry.
Better fucking not hit it.
And it's not gonna break.
Let me shoot
It's a fucking
Give me it.
GoPro.
Give me it.
Let me get
Give me
my
it.
balls going down there so
Give me
they
it.
can all see. Alright, so I don't know if you can actually see this, but it's pretty fast. So got a little jam here on the invert.